Alright, let's do it. Let's see how much they'll give me for my old iPhone. It's not that old, but look, it's got this little thing on there. Come on, man. This little box right here saves my life. Look at that, I can just open it as wide as I can. Oh! Huh, this is the dealership I usually go to. It's looking good, it's looking good. missed the light. No. No way I'm gonna miss the light because of this guy. He's not even gonna go. Oh, hell nah. Oh, it's a family right here. I'm gonna kind of feel bad. Only kinda. Oh. Nice, Prius, nice. Actually, I need to turn in here anyway. He helped me out. Farmer's market today. Nice CLS right there. Oh. It's a pretty big spot right here. That's kind of front row parking, right? It's pretty good. Oh, I didn't even charge it. I don't even know if I have a lightning cable. Bruh. Hey, she's looking pretty good, man. I don't know. Any condition. Oh, baby. We have acquired the goods. I want to say, actually, hey, what the hell? I want to say it might match. Wait. Damn, okay. It does pretty much match the seats. That's insane. I already got a couple case options. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It seems a little bit more minimal. I like it. This is slick though. But to be honest, if I'm paying like $1,000 for a phone, I kind of want it to, like, you know, I want to touch as much of the phone as possible. This is slick. I like touching the real buttons, you know? Thanks for watching another stupid little POV of mine. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure y'all stay safe out there. Stay a little dangerous, and I'll see you soon. Peace.